guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Zojirushi rice cooker not turning on. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now if you're having problems with your Zojirushi rice cooker here and it's not turning on, well in this case there's a few things you can do here to probably solve this issue. So this case, if your Zojirushi rice cooker isn't turning on, the first thing you want to check here is the displaying any error codes or any error codes that you see on your rice cooker. Now if you see an H1 or H2 or H02, it means the temperature inside is too high. So you need to let your unit to cool down before trying again or using it again. Now for the H04, it actually indicates that the inner pan may not be seated properly. So make sure it's properly placed on the cooker. Now, if you see an E01 or E02, so this errors code you usually mean that there's a breakdown and you should contact Zojirushi customer service for further help. Now, once you've wrote out any error codes or addressed them, here's what you can do next. Now, like what I said before, you want to basically check the inner pan. Now, the rice cooker won't turn on and if the inner pan isn't seated properly, so make sure it's placed correctly and the main body of the cooker. And also you might want to verify the power plug here. You want to double check the rice cooker is securely plugged in. So you want to make sure that the it's actually plugged in into the outlet. A loose connection can be the simple reason for it to turn or for it to not turn on. And also you might want to press the reset button. Now if the keep warm light is on, try pressing the reset button and then pressing the cook or reheat button again. So this can often reset the system and get it working again. Now if you experience some recent power outages here, you might want to do the following. So if the power was recently out, the cooker might have reset. So if the outage was less than 10 minutes, it should resume the previous state. But if the outage lasted longer, the cooker will reset. So you need to start cooking the process from the beginning. And also lastly, the last thing you could do here is to unplug and plug it back in. So by simply unplugging the cooker for a few moments and plugging it back in can reset the unit and solve many issues. Then you want to go ahead and reconnect it and check if the timer or clock is blinking and reset it if needed. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.